In the heart of nature, we find more than beauty. We find the strength to rise, the courage to dream, and the peace to evolve. Like these towering hills, we are built to rise above every challenge. Each peak is a testament to our ability to climb, to strive for more. Life flows like a river, sometimes fast, sometimes slow, but always moving forward, carving new paths even through the hardest rock. When the world pushes you down, remember the waterfall. It never loses its strength. It breaks through with relentless power, no matter the height it falls from. We can all soar above the noise, like the birds that take flight. With each new view, we gain perspective and rise to new heights. Even the fiercest storm must bow to calm seas. In the end, peace comes to those who persevere, and the shore always awaits those willing to journey. Nature reminds us that the journey is never over. Like the hills, rivers, waterfalls, and skies above, we are meant to evolve. Embrace the challenges, harness your inner strength, and soar.